Cub, hum, tub. Cub, hum, tub.
Cub.
Cub, hum. Cub, hum. Hum, tub. Hum, tub. Cub, hum, tub. Cub, hum, tub.
Cub.
The cub. The cub. The cub can hum. The cub can
And
hum.
hum.
The cub can hum in the tub. The
The
cub
cub
can
can
hum
hum
in
in
the
the
tub.
tub.
The cub can hum in the tub. The
The
cub
cub
can
can
hum
hum
in
in
the
the
tub.
tub. Okay, Kong Dad. Now can you circle where is the hum? Circle the hum. Okay, circle the hum. Where is the hum? Okay, how about the cub? Where is the cub? Okay, and the tub? Okay. Okay, Kong Dad. Now, you already know what is in the picture. Now, can you read this one for me?
The cub can hum in the tub.
Okay, great job, Kong Dad. You already your reading is already improving, and all of your answer is correct. Okay, all of your reading is correct now, Kong Dad. Okay. Okay, wait for a moment.